Introducing the AED Smart Station, the world's first AED video cabinet. Our station houses the AED, emergency equipment, medical action plans, and provides video training. Save more lives. Training people how to do CPR and use an AED has always been a challenge. AEDs are located in many places, and yet most people don't feel comfortable using them. Train people how to do hands-only CPR and use an AED in just 2 minutes. It will instill confidence and allow for quick and easy refreshers. We have separate videos for each manufactured model. We can customize the video with your organization's branding. Videos are available in many languages. You've invested in this life-saving equipment. Now make sure everyone knows how to use it. Make your AED program the best it can be. Contact us for more information.